Hello, welcome back guys, what's up? So guys, I am here to show you how to make a classic red pepper pasta salad. So this is my pasta and I'm gonna go ahead and just pour my pasta into my pot with my boiling water. And I'm using 2 packs of pasta.
Delicious in a Carla's kitchen.
I'm gonna add salt, and I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt.
Click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing, share Carla's Kitchen CC.
I'm going to allow the pasta to
run, go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah.
So I will be boiling these until they're tender. Alright. So the pasta is cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove, and then I'm going to drain this off. Running the cold water on the pasta will stop the cooking process because the pasta is hot and it is still cooking even though it is not on the stove. So to stop it, you will have to run cold water on the pasta. Okay guys, I have my bowl here and I have 2 packs of classic seasoning mixture right here. I will be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil in this recipe. But if you don't have olive oil and you have vegetable oil, you can also use vegetable oil or you can use avocado oil. So I will be using olive oil. So that's 1 tablespoon and I'm going in with a 2nd tablespoon. So that is 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm adding water, and now I'm gonna mix it out. So to my mixture, I add 4 tablespoons of water because you don't want it too thick. You want your mixture to be a little bit loose. Okay, like this, loose and runny, like this. Alright, this is perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to blend in my pasta in my mixture. Now I'm going to combine it together. Look at that, guys. Looking so yummy. It smells great. So here I'm adding some chopped red bell pepper here to top this off. This salad is very delicious, guys. You can have the salad for lunch. You can have it for dinner. Check the recipe out, guys. Try it out. Like the video, comment on the video, and don't forget to share this video out. And if it is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell to all so you will not miss out on my next upload. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye.